Welcome to another Verbling class. Today's class is 20 questions, Geography Edition. We'll get started shortly when students arrive in the class. Hi, Julian.
Hi Simon, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. Are you having a good weekend?
Yes, I have a good weekend, a relaxed time yesterday and today maybe, and I have to finish a paper tomorrow, but it's no worry. It's maybe 1 hour more of work and no more.
Well, get ready because we're going to have fun. We're going to be playing 20 questions, Geography Edition.
Okay, good,
Right.
good.
Excellent. Hello, Jose.
Hello, Simon. How are you?
Good. What's the weather like in Spain?
Uh, Today it's raining,
Oh, I'm sorry to hear
but
that.
it's a little cloudy. It's raining.
Well, we started off with some fog, but it's sunny now, going up to a high of 73. So a nice day
Okay.
here. And Elle, what about you? What's the weather like on the East Coast there?
It's wet.
Wow!
Yeah, I don't like it.
You guys should come to where I am. The weather's great here.
Yeah, I don't like raining.
A great day for a ball game.
Oh, right now is a baseball season, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
But I'm not a big fan of baseball, but I heard about that.
Yes. Well, our team is clinched a playoff spot, so
hmm
definitely watch the game today.
Oh, good for you.
Anna, good morning.
Good morning, Simon. Nice to see you.
Good to see you as well. Oh, I'm sorry. It's just so I've got a nice breeze coming through the window here. See, there's my window, and it just feels so nice. And I can see it's sunny outside. Yes, I'm inside. I could I could actually teach this class outside, and I should. Maybe I'll try that in a little bit, but right now it's probably better to be inside. All right, Anna. So we'll get started soon, and I see a few others have joined us. We've got Wellington and Hamza. Welcome back, gentlemen. Are you guys all ready to play another game of 20 questions?
Yes.
Yeah, we are ready. Thank you, Simon.
Okay. So we're going to start off easy. I'm going to tell you we're going to be focusing on the United States for our first round. Now, when I talk about geography, I'm talking about features. Let me get the dictionary definition. I can't spell geography today. So it's the study of physical features. Now, this dictionary definition says of the Earth and its atmosphere, and of human activity as it affects and is affected by these, including distribution of population, resources, land use, industries. Now, I would disagree with this definition. It is not just of the Earth. It is of other planets as well. Asteroids. So I'm going to take this definition and say it's the study of physical features of planetary bodies and their atmospheres and of human activity and how it affects populations and stuff, okay? So the reason I'm telling you that is we're going to be outside of the Earth soon, but right now we're just focusing on the United States. This is an advanced class, so I'll give you yes or no answers. I might give you more information, and that's really your hint. It's also a way of giving you feedback. By repeating what you're saying, I'm helping you with your pronunciation. I recommend all of you write down what I say, either in the group chat or on your own computer, because there's going to be enough hints that if you don't pay attention to everything said, you're not going to do well. I'm going to start with Wellington. So remember, geography, the United States. That's your hint. Go ahead, please.
Okay. Is the city has more than 15 million of people?
No. Julian.
Is in the west, on the west coast?
What do you mean by West Coast?
It's located in the west coast of the United States?
It's not on the West Coast.
Okay.
Jose.
Is it on the north?
Is it in the north? No, I
Yes.
wouldn't say it's the north. Hamza.
Is it an island?
No, it's not an island. L.
Okay, it means it should be in the east.
No, it's not in the east.
Oh.
Anna.
Is it in the middle of the country?
Is it in the
Oh
middle
no,
of
of the middle of the continent. I'm sorry.
Okay, well, let me take a look at that. See, I'm going to have to take a different look at the map here to see that, because I'm not from the U.S. If it's in the middle, it's not. It's kind of towards the edge of the middle, so let me just take a look here. Yeah, I wouldn't really say it's in the middle, no. Oops, what happened here? No, it's definitely not in the middle. Definitely not in the middle. Okay, Wellington.
Okay. The name is the name of the. It's a city. It's a city because can.
No.
No. Okay.
So your first question, is it bigger than a city bigger than 15 million? Well, it was no, because it's not even a city. You assumed it was a city.
Okay.
All right.
So
Julian.
is
Oh no,
a
you've asked
state.
your question. Is it a city? No. Julian. Pay careful attention to the questions you ask, guys. If you're too specific, it might not help you. Julian. Oh, we lost Julian. Jose.
Is it Idayo?
Slower, please.
Idayo.
Could you type it for me? I'm not understanding. Idaho. Is it in Idaho?
Idaho.
Yeah, it's a strange, it's a strange word, isn't it? Idaho.
Yes, Idaho.
No, it's not in Idaho. Hamza.
Is it a state?
No, it's not a state. L.
Is it warm weather?
Yeah, I would say it's warm weather.
No. Okay.
L.
That's it.
Oh, sorry, I mean Anna.
Is it a touristic attraction?
Yes. Good question. Wellington.
This place is this place in Florida?
Nope, it's not in Florida. Jose. Have I lost Jose now?
Yeah. Me?
Yes.
Is it near to the coast?
It's near to the coast, yes. But
Yeah.
as one person said, it's not on the coast, it's near the coast.
Near the coast. Okay.
Good one. Hamza.
Is it a beach?
Not a beach. L.
You mean that this state there is no snow season at all?
I wouldn't say that because it's possible to get snow in every state in the U.S., even in Florida and Texas on a cold year. What I will say is it's not in one of what you consider the traditional states of snow.
Okay.
Okay?
I got you. Thanks.
So when we think of snow states, we think of Michigan, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, North Dakota, South Dakota, right?
Yeah, right. Where I live too.
Yeah. So yeah, you got to be careful with questions like that. North America is a continental climate. You have extremes of weather from the very hot to the very cold. All right, Anna.
Is it man-made?
No, it is definitely not man-made. Another good question. Wellington.
Man-made? Sorry, I don't understand.
What did you ask, Anna?
If it is natural or made by human?
Okay.
It is not man-made.
Okay, thank you. So, is it close to Mexico?
Yeah, I'd say it's pretty close to Mexico. I'd say it's very close to Mexico. Jose.
Yes. Is it Colorado? Colorado?
Is it Colorado what?
The city, is it Colorado?
Colorado City? No, it's not Colorado City.
No? Okay.
Hamza.
Pass. I have no question.
L.
Is there a desert? Desert.
Is the area considered a desert?
Yeah, like okay, let me type. DESERT. I'm not sure how to spell. Like.
I will say this because I don't know if it falls under the category of desert, but it's a very dry area.
Very dry area. Okay.
Okay. It does get some precipitation, and when it happens, it does happen. It's very strong. So I don't think it's classified as a desert, but it's a very dry area, very arid. Anna.
Is it a set of mountains in Colorado?
No, it's definitely not a set of mountains. Wellington.
The name is the name of the place. Is the name is the name of the place Latin?
No, I don't think so.
Like San Diego?
No, definitely not Spanish or Portuguese, no.
Okay.
I was starting to go back further into the history of the language, but no. Jose.
Is it near to Arizona?
It is so near to Arizona that it is Arizona. Hamza.
Yes. Okay.
Well, Hamza, if you're not going to participate, there's almost no sense you being in class.
I know, I'm trying to search on Google.
L.
Yeah, Arizona has 6,007.
Not Wellington. L. L's turn.
Okay, I just missed the previous questions.
Oh, you got to listen. I don't repeat them. I told you at beginning class I won't repeat. So
Okay.
if you guys aren't typing them, I can't help you.
I said okay. Is in Arizona state.
Yes, it's in the state of Arizona.
Okay. Okay.
Anna.
Is it the Grand Canyon?
Yes, it is.
What's that?
Grand Canyon.
Yeah, the Grand Canyon. So I picked something very easy, one of the biggest landmarks in the United States, and I want you guys to think about the type of questions you asked. Okay, so you started to find out, where is it located? Is it on the east, on the west coast? Well, one student made the mistake of asking, is it on the west coast? Well, that's the coast, that's the beach, that's the ocean area, right? And others assume that meant, is it on the west? Well, the west coast and the west are two different things. And Arizona, if you had said California, then yes, I could say California's on the west coast. But Arizona isn't. So be careful. You want to start off vague. You're trying to eliminate possibilities. Okay?
Okay.
So, and always listen to each other. Okay, so I can close off that screen here. All right. We're no longer dealing with the United States. In fact, that's all I'm going to tell you. It's not the US. But it is on the planet. That's it for hints. All right, Anna, let's start with you.
Okay. Is it a country?
It is not a country. Good question. Wellington.
Is it in Europe?
Ooh, I like that. No, it is not in Europe. Hamza.
Is it a man-made?
No, it is not man-made. Good question. L.
Is it in Asia? Asia.
Yes, it is in Asia. Good question. Anna.
It's not man-made. It's in Asia.
Because you were thinking the Great Wall, if it's man-made.
Yes, yes. I was.
I thought the same.
I know. That's why I picked what I picked, because I knew what you guys would be
It's not
thinking.
a country. Is it a city?
No, not a city. Wellington.
Is it a monument?
Monument?
Yeah.
Well, aren't those man-made?
Yes.
Yes. So the answer is no. Jose.
No.
Is it located in China?
Yes. Good question. Hamza.
Is it related to water, like water landscape or
Now,
anything related?
Hamza, you have been very quiet, skipping turns, and look at you. You come up with a great question. Yes, it is related to water. Good job. L.
Okay. What should I say? Is surrounding by the water?
No, it isn't surrounded by water.
Okay.
Anna.
Hold on. My gosh.
Okay, well, you
Oh,
can't
okay.
be Google searching while it's your turn.
Yes, I was trying to Google. Is it a lake?
I love your question. No, it's not a lake. Wellington.
Is it a touristic place?
Is it a tourist place? I wouldn't think so in any significant number, although there might be things along its path that are. But no, I don't think so in any significant number. Not like the Great Wall. Jose.
Is it near the coast or the beach?
Yes and no. Yes and no. Hamza.
Is it a river?
Yes. What else could be close to the
River?
ocean and not close to the ocean? Great job. L.
Oh, is it a river? Yes.
Come on, stop searching.
Okay. Oh. This is the well-known river?
Yes.
Okay.
Anna.
Is
Anna?
it the Yellow River?
Yes, it is. Okay, new rule. I don't mind you guys using Google, but when it's your turn, you can't be searching. Okay? Because what happens is it actually takes more time and it reduces the amount of talk time you guys have. All right? So keep that in mind. All right, so great job. Now it's going to get a little more difficult. Very difficult. All right, so we'll start with Anna.
Teacher, your hint.
Yeah, I'm not giving one this time. I said it would be hard.
Oh, shit. Is it on Earth? On the Earth?
Anna, you're brilliant. No, it's not. Good starting question. Way to go. Wellington.
Is it a star?
No, it is not a star, but that would have been a good one, yeah. You know what, maybe next turn. Good question. Jose.
Is it the sun?
Is the sun considered a star?
Sun.
Yeah, is the sun considered a star?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, it is not the sun. Hamza.
Is it man-made?
No, it is not man-made. L.
Can human live there?
It's possible. Anna?
Is it Mars?
Did you say, is it Mars?
Yes, the planet.
It is not Mars. Wellington?
Is it is Milky Way?
No, it is not the Milky Way. Jose?
Is it a planet?
It is not a planet. Hamza?
Is it galaxy?
Is it a galaxy? Not a galaxy. Al?
You said human can live there. Possible.
It is possible that humans can live there. There's been discussions about this.
Oh, okay. It's not on the Earth.
And remember, we are talking geography.
Oh, yeah. So, I think human plan to live there in the future?
I would say yes. There are some. Yes, there are. Yes. Okay. Anna.
Is it the moon?
No, it's not the moon.
Ah, my gosh.
Now, let me give you
I
guys some advice here, too. You're asking,
I
is
was
it the moon? You
sure.
might want to say, is it on, right?
Oh,
Because remember when it was with the Earth, you said, is it on the Earth? Yes. But you never said, is it the Earth? And I want to give you guys a bit of a hint. When you're looking outside of the planet, you're starting to think, is it, instead of is it on? Right? Very big difference in those words, in and on. Okay? Because you're saying, is it the Earth, means it's the Earth. You're precluding anything that could be on the Earth. Okay, guys? Big hint there. Wellington.
Okay. Is it a level of the stratosphere?
Sorry, say that again. I'm not sure I understand.
Okay. Is it a level on the space like stratosphere?
Oh, you mean is it part of the atmosphere? Is that what you're saying?
Sorry.
Because the stratosphere is part of the atmosphere.
Yeah.
Yeah, so is it a layer of the atmosphere? No, it's not a layer in the atmosphere. Okay, Jose.
Is it near to the Earth?
Yes, it is near to the Earth. Okay, I like these prepositions better. Near. Hamza.
Is it touchable?
Sorry?
Is it touchable?
Oh, yeah, it's very touchable. Yes. L.
Past.
Anna.
Is it on the moon?
Excellent question. It is not on the moon. A little further away. Wellington.
Is it touchable? Yes. Okay.
Yeah, you're not going to die by touching this, and yes, it's physical, it's tangible.
I pass for now.
All right. Jose?
Is it big?
Yeah, it's pretty big. Yeah, it's definitely a major feature. Hamza.
Pass.
L. L?
Oh, okay. Sorry. um. Previous yoga item.
L?
Yes. It is past. Sorry, guys.
This is actually not a very hard one. Anna.
We give up.
Wellington.
Is it big than is it bigger than sorry, a building.
Yes, it's much bigger than a building. Next question, Wellington, because everybody else has given up.
Okay, bigger than is it bigger touchable is touchable. Whoa, it's not a planet, it's not a layer on the stratosphere. Not more. Oh, difficult. A clue. Clue.
I already gave you guys a big clue a little while ago. You've got enough clues. I don't know why you guys are having trouble with this one here. I think it was because your first question you asked, is it? You were just guessing at instead of narrowing it down. So I'm going to stick with the last hint I gave you. So Wellington, you have one more question, then I'll go around to the rest of the class again.
Is it space?
It is not space, Jose. See, again, you asked an is it question, right? If you do is it, you guys have played this game enough to know if you ask is it, you're never going to guess it. Right?
Is it the cloud? No.
No. Hamza.
What is made from?
Yes. L.
You know, I'm not good about you say that people are gonna live there, and then
Yeah, so you asked a lot of really good questions. You just got to look at the answers. So that's a big one. Are people eventually going to live there? Yes. Is it close to the Earth? Yes.
oh, okay. Can I pass? Sorry.
No, you can't. I'm not going to allow people to pass anymore.
Oh, okay. You said is this somebody? Oh, it's not Mars. It's not Moon. Okay, and there is a trees there. There is a yeah.
No, the only planet we know there to exist trees are on Earth. Anna.
Is it Venus?
Is it famous?
Venus.
Is it Venus? No, because there's no possible way man could live on Venus. Too hostile. Wellington.
You said that this is not here. It's touchable.
Mm-hmm.
It's not the clouds because it's not here.
You need to forget some of the earlier questions that were asked because you're making assumptions.
Okay. It's the cloud. It's the clouds.
No, it's not clouds. Jose.
When you are standing on the earth, can you see it?
No, you can't see it. It's well, it's big. You can't see it. It's kind of like looking at the Grand Canyon. On the moon, you probably wouldn't be able to see it, even though it's big. Hamza.
Does anybody try to reach it before?
No, they haven't really reached this particular area, but they've gotten very close to it.
Okay.
But people haven't been there, no. L.
Okay. Did astronaut been there yet?
Well, I already said people haven't been there, and people are astronauts, so the answer is no.
Okay.
Anna.
Pass.
You can't pass anymore. I'm not allowing people to pass. Use your thinking caps. This is actually not a very difficult one.
It is.
It's because of some of the questions that were asked right at the beginning. They're confusing you guys. It's like that person who asked, is it on the West Coast? Well, it's in the West, but it's not on the West Coast.
It is in the ocean.
Which ocean?
I don't know, teacher. I have no idea.
Well, it's not on the
Sorry.
Earth, so it's not in any ocean.
I don't know what to
Wellington.
ask.
Is it in our solar system?
Yes, it is. Good question. It's in our solar system. Jose. Jose.
Yes. Is it made from some material?
Yes, it's made from some material. Hamza.
Does it well known or something generic can be exist in anywhere?
No, it's in one specific location, and it is well known. It's one specific location.
The black hole.
So look at these. Look at the beginning of a question here. Is it? It has to be a specific item. Is it a smartphone? I can say, okay, it could be the smartphone button, right? Is it a smartphone? No. Is it on the smartphone? Yes. Is it in the smartphone? Yes. Now, I could have used the smartphone chip, and if you say, is it a smartphone? No. So be very careful of asking, is it questions. If you ask an is it question, it must be that item or it's false. Remember that. That's why you guys are getting yourself into trouble this round. You're asking is it questions and you're getting no's. And you're eliminating that item from area of possibility. So this is where our grammar is getting us into trouble today. So remember, is it on is very different from is it. Okay. Yes, it's not man-made. That's correct. So Hamza, go ahead.
Is it on a planet? On a
Yes,
planet?
it is on a planet. Very good. L.
Okay. Human try to live in Mars. Can I say that?
No, because I don't think that's the question you're trying to ask. Are you talking about past or future?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Right. Yeah. Future.
Okay. So is the question you're trying to ask: are people planning to live on Mars?
Yeah. Are people going to?
Are people planning to live there? Is what you mean, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Are people?
Yes. People are planning to live there. There's a project underway. Anna.
I have to pass. I'm sorry.
No.
Please.
No, okay, so already look at this. One person asked, is it Mars? And I said no, so you guys automatically figured it can't be on Mars. No, I'm
Is
just
it
saying
on
it isn't
Mars?
Mars. Oh, hold on. Is that your question?
Yes.
Yes, it is on Mars. So here's a crucial lesson today, and I think this is very valuable. Yes, you're getting frustrated. But now imagine you're at work or you're having a conversation with somebody. Your prepositions matter a lot. Is it? You're dealing with a specific item. Is it a phone? That's very different than a component within the phone. At which point you would say, is it in or is it on? Okay? And that's what you got to do, because a lot of times you guys will ask, is it? Meaning a specific item. You want to be more vague at the beginning. So very good. And at least now you know it's on Mars, so this should help a lot, because I'm not trying to be difficult here. Wellington.
I don't know anything about Mars.
Sure you do.
Is the I don't know anything.
Shut it! Yeah, be good. Shut it. Here's your blanket, you little donkey. Sorry, guys.
Hi, hi.
Hi.
All right. He threw his
I don't-
blankets out and he started making a lot of noise. All right, so Wellington. Let's go back to Mars.
Okay, go back to Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet.
It is so yes, it is the fourth planet from the Sun. Jose.
Is it some spacecraft over Mars?
Well, what is the focus of this class?
Geography.
Geography.
Yes or no questions? Geography. Okay.
So we know
Is
it's a
it,
geographical
yes,
item,
correct.
right?
Yes. Is it ice?
Very good. So is it related to ice? No. So these are
Yes. Is it
you
related
wanna
with
start-
ice?
yeah, it's just like you're on Earth, right? What do you guys started asking about? Oceans, rivers, mountains, canyons, right? Guess what? Mars has all those too. Difference is it doesn't have liquid water anymore, right? So start thinking like that. It's kind of like Earth, only easier because there's no trees, there's no Great Wall, there's no people. Okay? Hamza.
Is it a canal craze?
Sorry?
The canal?
Is it a canal? Well, if I was living on Earth about 100 years ago looking at Mars, I might think it's a canal. Okay, there's your hint. It is not a canal, but again, it might look like a canal from Earth. That's a very good question. L.
Is spacecraft land on Mars?
Yes, spacecraft have landed on Mars. Anna.
Oh, please, I have to pass.
Anna. Are you not Googling?
I am, but I cannot find anything.
Okay, hint. Anna, are you ready? Okay, everybody else, go your mouths. You can't hear this. This is just for Anna. Anna? Google Mars geological features, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay, everybody else, earphones off.
hold
Wellington.
on.
Is the valleys?
Is it a valley? Yeah, I'd say it's a valley. Jose.
Vale. Is it near from a volcano?
Well, from what I know of Mars, there's only about 3 or 4 of them. I'm not sure if it's close to a volcano or not. From what I can see on the map, no, it doesn't look like it's very close to a volcano. Hamza.
I don't know. I tried to Google it, but I didn't find names to
Hamza.
valley.
Hamza. All right, L.
I don't know too.
This is like an open book test. You've got the whole internet there. This is not hard.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can tell you guys didn't get a full night's sleep last night. Anna.
It's Marineris Valley?
Valles Marineris.
Yes, Valley Marineris.
Would you be upset if I said no?
Of course.
Yeah, well, you're right. It is.
Oh.
Ah!
Wow.
I know, Wellington had just found it.
Oh.
So, it is the single biggest feature on Mars other than the volcano or the ice cap. But exactly, so when we do these questions, I'm not expecting you to remember things. I'm expecting you to use key questions or key answers from students and Google it. This is a geography class. You know it's Mars. Mars geological features, right? Okay. I'm not picking hard stuff. I picked 2 canyons so far today.
Yeah.
But I can tell you guys either didn't have your coffee, you didn't have breakfast, or you didn't get a full night's sleep. So, for the last one, I'm going to make it even more difficult.
Nossa.
However, if you Google and you listen carefully, this one could be one of the easiest ones. So, Anna, I'm going to let you start first.
Your hints, teacher.
Yes, it's somewhere.
Oh my
And
god.
it's a geographical, it's related to geography or cosmology, okay?
Is it on Earth?
No! Good start. I love it. Wellington.
What was the question, Anna?
Is it on
Okay.
Earth?
Is in this system solar? In that system solar? In this?
Is it in our solar system?
Yeah, our.
No, it's not in our solar system. Jose.
Is it any planet?
It is not a planet. Cool, we're doing so well this time. Hamza.
Is it any kind of galaxy?
Not a galaxy. L.
I want to give up this this topic.
Well,
That's so difficult for me.
hey, one of you guys wanted geography-related 20 questions, and that's what I've given you today. So maybe you can choose a different topic next time. But they always get harder towards the end of class. You guys know that.
Okay. This place is okay. There is no human live on this place.
It would be impossible for a human to live on this thing. Anna.
Is it a black hole?
I like where you're going. And thankfully it's not, because most black holes aren't named. So no, it is not a black hole, but it's very similar to a black hole. Wellington.
It's very similar.
Mm-hmm.
I don't
Just
know
like
the
a
name.
butterfly is similar to a caterpillar.
But I don't know the name. So
Describe it.
it's a place that when we see through when we see using tools, we
Telescope.
telescope. We see different colors, astonishing colors.
Okay, they do come in different colors. Okay, and another good point is you would see it through a telescope, so it's far away. Jose.
Is it in the cosmos?
Yes, it is in the cosmos or the universe, yes. Hamza.
Is it on a planet?
Already been asked? No, it's not on a planet.
Not on a planet, okay. Not a planet, it's on a planet.
Oh, sorry, very good. Yes, so it's not on a planet. Very good. Very good differentiation. L.
Is a water? There is water.
No, there could not be water in this place. Anna.
Can I pass?
Really?
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 Okay, Wellington, you get 2 questions then.
Uh, is it a dark cloud?
It is not a dark cloud
Dark cloud.
or a nebula. And again,
Yeah.
I'm picking items that you've all heard words of, right? So it's not that difficult.
Is is a Drebby cloud?
It's not any kind of cloud. Jose.
Okay.
Pass, Simon. Maybe.
Hamza, you get 2 questions.
Okay, is it a star?
Is it a star? Yes, it is. Good job.
Next one.
Yeah, next
So-
question. Go ahead.
No, that's it to other guy because I have
Okay,
to search
Elle, you
now.
get 2 questions.
No, I thought he got it right or already. Not yet.
No, it's a star.
It is star.
We don't know which one yet.
Sorry, sorry. Is this star? This star is near to the Earth.
No, I wouldn't focus on near. No, it's
Far.
not near. Your next question?
Me?
Yeah, you get 2 because somebody skipped.
Why? Why me?
Wow, is this like torture for you guys? I love it. You're paying for classes and you don't want to speak.
Okay, it is far from the Earth.
Well, you just asked that question.
I asked I asked, is it near to
Well,
the
I know,
Earth?
but they're very similar. So if the answer is no, it's not near. It has to be far, right?
Okay.
Good job. All right. Anna.
Simon. Gosh. I wanna pass.
Yeah, you're not going to. You passed last time. So you already know it's a star. You've got Google. Come on.
Is it the polar star?
No, it is not the polar star. Wellington.
Is that star that it is 150 million kilometers from the Earth?
Wow, that's a lot of detail. Now, I'm not going to go to that specific, right? So I'm not that mean. I'm going to pick something that you know about, but you might not know some of its attributes. Distance is very difficult to calculate, and they're very big numbers, so I'm not going to go into that. But if it was a star, what kind of features would I expect you to know, to be able to know and ask about?
Okay,
If it's not distance.
it is star emit warmer
Okay, so heat, right?
heat. Yes.
So is it warmer than what? In relation to our star, right? So think that way. So are you asking, is it warmer than our star?
No, this star emit heat
Well, all stars emit heat.
like sun, like the sun.
No, I'd say it's a lot hotter than our sun. Jose.
Is it Taurus?
Is it, does it have 2 stars? Nope.
Ah, 2
Hamza.
stars. Okay.
L.
It's called It's called. Okay, the first letter is letter G. G.
No, the first letter is not G. Anna.
Oh my gosh. Mm. Is it serious?
Yes, of course I'm serious.
No, the star. The name
No.
of the star.
It is not serious. And again, you're asking, is it, right? You're going for names, and this will take a long time. So
I have a
again,
guess.
you're going to have a guess very shortly. So you need to start thinking in terms of attributes. Remember when we talked about things? Think very vague, right? And what do you start doing? You try to narrow down. You try to eliminate possibilities. So Wellington, let's hear about your guess.
Okay. Is a binary star?
Excellent. Is it a binary star? That means are there two of them? One, they rotate each other. And somebody already asked that question, and the answer is no, it's not a binary star. I like that, though. Jose. Jose.
Yes. Is it Alpha Centauri?
Oh, I love it. That's our closest star, and I could have chosen that one, but I didn't. So no. Hamza.
Is it a monster star? The monster.
Monster?
Star. Yeah, it's 10 billion warmer than Sun.
Okay, so monster star. When I think monster, I think very, very big, right? Is that what you mean?
No, it's called the monster star.
Oh, monster star. No, it's not called. At least the scientific name I have is not called monster star. Monster star. L. L.
Sorry, I forgot to unmute. Is it Jupiter?
Is it?
Jupiter, right? Something like that.
I
forgot the name.
Is
it letter J?
Oh, it start with the letter J? No, it doesn't. Anna.
I'm googling names.
I was hoping you were googling before that, but go ahead.
Teacher, I wish I could guess. Is it Cassiopeia?
No, it isn't. Wellington.
I'm not sure. I think Anna asked, but let's go. Are Sirius and Cygnus X1?
Okay, remember what I said earlier? Don't start guessing the actual name of the star. You got to narrow down what star it can't be, right? There's thousands of stars. You got to go with elimination questions first. Okay. Jose.
Is it a large star? A big
Is
star?
it a large star? Yes, it's a very large star. Good question. L.
This star is close to the sun.
You already asked, is it close? And no, it's far away, so close to our sun.
My previous question is the Earth. This star is.
But we're dealing with distances that are so huge. Even the closest star is about 20 light years away. So you're dealing with really huge distances here. So nothing is close to the sun.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so it's very far away. Anna. We got 1 minute left. Okay, Wellington.
Okay, I'm thinking. I don't know. I don't know anything about the space.
Okay, Jose.
I don't know. Pass.
Hamza?
Does it in the Milky Way galaxy?
I'm not sure. I didn't need to get into that level of detail, so. But it looks like class is over, so you guys don't have to ask any more questions.
Is this Pluto?
Oh, Pluto's a planet, though,
Oh, okay.
not a star. So that's it. We've come to the end of another class. Obviously, doing geography is not a good idea.
No, not talking about the space. I think it's not.
Well, no, let's be fair. We had trouble right at the beginning. Remember the first round? Like sometimes you guys will guess the Higgs boson, which you say, I want something really difficult, and you guys guess it right away. But today, I guess we're not aligned. There's something off today. Because you got to think, when I do stars or anything outside of the planet, I know most of you don't know a lot about the universe. So when we start talking about planets, it might be the largest planet ever found. It might be the largest star ever found. It might be the funniest sounding name of a star. I'm not going to start getting to astronomical units and distance and gravitational pull or anything like that. I always keep it like Mars. Is it on Mars? Well, I picked the one thing that pretty well anyone knows about Mars. It has a big canyon in it.
Yeah.
And if you search Google, the Google results are going to come up with that. So before I find something, I check to see if it's in Wiki, to see if it's easily findable too. So I'm not picking stuff that's hard to find. If you were to just guess, is it? Yes, it would be impossible. But if you use some simple things, remember what I said, is it larger than, right? Can I hold it in my hand? Is it heavy? Is it hot? Those same questions work very well with stars. Is it bigger than our star? Yes. Is it the biggest star, right? Stuff like that. Is it the closest star to ours? That stuff you can Google. You don't need to know the name of it, right? No, I can't give you the answer. Class is over.
Oh, really?
Are you guys waiting for the answer?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you really care?
Of course.
Yeah.
See, if I had a sense of humor, I would have chosen Betelgeuse because it sounds funny. It's the largest star in the known universe.
Okay.
Think about it this way. It is 1,900 times larger than our star. It's almost as big as our solar system. That's huge. So that's what I'm, yeah, and that stuff you can find on Google. So that's what I'm going for. You don't even need to know the exact name of something. But once you've asked the right question, is it the largest star? Now you can Google it. Well, the next student can Google it, and you have the answer.
Simon, maybe Google not sleep well today.
Well, you know what? The next class we're going to have, I'm just going to leave it wide open. Who suggested we should do geography? Yes, Elle, that's it.
I can't even pronounce the Canis Majoris.
You don't have to.
I don't have to pronounce that.
No, I mean, if you can type it, say, I don't, because several times you guys have gotten the pronunciation of something wrong. It doesn't mean I'm going to say, no, you're wrong.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to help you with the pronunciation. But again, it's all about searching and finding. So what is happening in this class now is if you have to go to Google, you have to practice typing in English. You have to search in English, right?
Yeah.
So it's another element to it. It's advanced class. I don't want to make it too easy. We start off easy, and then we go a little difficult. Now, for classes this week, I haven't booked it yet. I do have a bunch of private tutoring classes this week, so I've got to find time. But I promise you I will have some group classes this week, guys.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, bye-bye.